self model or happy, healthy, and peaceful life. Sunrise classes. Everything is possible. Extraordinary educational excellence. Self model or happy, healthy, and peaceful life. S for sleep. E for exercise. L for love. F for food. First, S for good sleep, 7 to 9 hours every night. Sleep is an investment in the energy you need to be effective tomorrow. Sleep is the best meditation. Dalai Lama 14th. Age group and recommended number of hours of sleep. The average adult needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Tips for a better night's sleep. Have a consistent bedtime and wake up time. Avoid electronics. Develop a nighttime routine. Don't sleep during daytime. A good sleep environment. Cool, dark room and comfortable bedding. 5 ways to improve your sleep. Get up at the same time every day. Get 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight each morning. Do relaxing activities before bed. Use your bedroom only for sleep and relax. Avoid screen light, caffeine and alcohol before bed. Get health benefits of good sleep. Good health, reduce pain, lower risk of injury, great mood, weight control, clearer thinking, better memory, stronger immunity. Second, E for good exercise, 20 to 25 minutes daily. Regular exercise is one of the best things you can do for your health. It has many benefits. It can improve your overall health and fitness and reduce your risk for many chronic diseases. Get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic physical activity each week, or you could do a combination of the two. Different types of the exercise. First, squats. Second, walking. Walking is simple yet so powerful exercise. Third, running. Fourth, cycling. Fifth, standard plank. Sixth, forearm plank. Seventh, push-ups. Eighth, lunges. Ninth, swimming. Swimming is the best exercise. 10th, skipping. 11th, dumbbell exercise. 12th, yoga is a holistic and mindful practice that includes physical movements, breathing, meditation, and relaxation. Meditation. You should do at least 7 minutes of meditation every day for peace of mind. Benefits of Surya Namaskar: strengthens the body, helps cope with insomnia, improves posture, improves muscle tone, improves functions of internal organs, helps relax our mind, improves flexibility, helps burn excess fat, helps build mental focus, improves blood circulation. 20 exercise benefits: reduces body fat, increases lifespan, oxygenates body, strengthens muscles, manages chronic pain, ward off viruses, reduces diabetes risk, strengthens heart, clears arteries, boosts mood, maintains mobility, improves memory, improves coordination, strengthens bones, improves complexion, detoxifies body, decreases stress, boosts immune system, lowers blood pressure, reduces cancer risk. Third, love everyone and unconditional. Love everyone and unconditional. First, love yourself. Second, love your family, friends and nation. Third, do what you love. Fourth, love your hobbies. Self-love is the best love. Love yourself first and everything else falls into line. You really have to love yourself to get anything done in this world. Lucille Ball. We can climb mountains with self-love. Samira Wiley. Love your family. Family is the best thing you could ever wish for. They are there for you during the ups and downs and love you. Love your friends. A friend is someone who still believes in you even when you no longer believe in yourself. Third, do what you love and love what you do. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Fourth, love your hobbies. Playing chess, listening music, reading books, writing, volunteering at a charity center, public speaking, gardening. You need 5 hobbies: 1 to keep you in shape, 1 to keep you creative, 1 to make you money, 1 to build knowledge, 1 to improve mindset. Nothing is impossible for pure love. Mahatma Gandhi. Fourth, F for healthy food. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains different kinds of foods in certain quantities and proportions so that the requirement for calories, proteins, minerals, vitamins and alternative nutrients is adequate. Balanced diet and healthy living: rice or chapati, pulses and beans, dairy product, fruits and vegetables. Water is health. 70% of human body is water. How much water do you really need? 8 glasses per day. 2 glasses after waking up, 1 glass before each meal, 1 glass before taking bath, 1 glass before going to bed. Hydration and urine color. Seventeen benefits of drinking water. enhances brain function, boosts immune system, prevents headaches, prevents kidney stones, prevents cramps, supports joints, prevents backaches, prevents bad breath. Supports heart health, improves circulation, increases waste removal, flushes out toxins, nutrient absorption, increases energy and alertness, supports weight healthy loss, improves complexion, supports muscles building. Balanced diet and healthy living. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is a food preparation which provides complete nutrients as well as supplies carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber in their normal proportions. It is the basis for all diet modifications. Balanced diet and healthy living. Grains, vegetables, fruits, milk and alternatives, meat, fish, egg and alternatives, fat, oil, salt and sugar. Meal hour and meal option. FAME model. Fruits, almond, milk, eggs. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. 10 health benefits of eating bananas. Get instant energy, keeps you regular, reduce blood pressure and the risk of heart disease, scavenge harmful oxygen free radicals, reduce menstrual cramps, contains antioxidant, vitamins and minerals, helps grow strong bones, powers the brain, helps prevent ulcers, reduces depression. Veg thali. Eggs, chicken, mutton, fish. 20 benefits of eating healthy. Improve mood and mental health, increase energy levels, reduce stress, weight control, better sleep, optimal hydration, cleaner skin, staying active and fit, prevent diseases, cure diseases. Live longer, age better, increase your productivity and attention, optimal growth and development of teenagers, eat more and enjoy food, save money, inspire others, raise healthier and smarter kids, save the environment, positive social and ethical impact. Self-model or happy, healthy and peaceful life. S for sleep, 7 to 9 hours every night. E for exercise, 20 to 25 minutes daily. L for love, everyone and unconditional. F for food, balanced diet. Sufficient sleep, exercise, healthy food, friendship and peace of mind are necessities, not luxuries. Change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous in the end. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.